Ang layo mo doon, hindi ka makita. Ang laki nila. Hi, I'm Dana. I'm sorry for the first time ago. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you, my friends and family friends that are very close to us. My parents for pushing this through. Love you right away. My titas for their support. Love you too. I hope you enjoy the small gathering we've prepared for my 18th birthday. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Dana.
Yan. So, pwede na din tayong kantahan natin si Dana ng happy birthday para yung dinner natin mamaya tuloy-tuloy at si ating vocalist here.
Ayan. Para mas-serenade namin kayo this evening. Alright.
Pwede tayong
Now, may we all stand up, please? Let's all sing a happy birthday song to Miss Dana. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Alright, happy birthday, Miss Dana. Alright, and now for the friend's message to our sweet debutant. Sino pong gustong mauna? Ayan, what's your name? Miss Angel. Please come in front.
Hello po, ang wish ko lang po is kay Dana, sana, I wish you all the best and happiness at all times. Sana maging successful ka in the future and sana mas tumagal pa yung friendship natin and more bonds to come. Happy birthday. Si Alphonse po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angel. Now, Miss Audrey, right?
Hi po, good evening to everyone. Sa hindi po mga nakakilala sa akin, I'm Adrina, I'm Ate Dana's best friend. I've known Ate Dana since I was in first year elementary and I am now currently in third year high school. Actually, we didn't start out as friends. Inaasahan pa nga ako ni Ate Dana noong una pa kami magkakilala. Pero nung fifth year elementary ko, tas first year high school niya, doon na kami nagkasundo. Sa BTS pa. And ever since, palagi na kami magkasama. Technically, I've known her nearly my whole life. Noong pandemic, doon kami nagpasaya sa isa't isa amidst all the ongoing chaos in the world. Halos araw-araw kaming nagkikita, which led her family to treat me as her own na din. I can say, within those years na magkasama kami, those years have been the happiest years of my life so far. Akala ko best friend lang sinaitapan ko, kapatid na rin pala. I might have not had an ate in my life, but Ate Dana definitely stood up as mine. I'm convinced that she's my soulmate, soul sister, and my other half. She's never failed to stand as a role model, a great daughter and sister, and an incredible friend. You've been a part of my life for a long time.